Hello, my name is Shantanu. I am legal intern at Lexus and Company. Today I am going to talk about the charge framing of charge under CRPC. Under the Code of Criminal Procedure in India, the framing of charge deals under the section 211 to 225. The charges is a crucial stage in a criminal trial. It involves the formal accusation made by the court against the accused, specifying the offence they are being charged with. Here an overview of framing of charge under CRPC. Initiation of charge framing. The process of framing charge typically being after the completion of primary inquiry or investigation by the police. Once the investigation agency submits the charge sheet or the final report to the court examines the matter and evidence provided to determine whether there are sufficient ground to proceed with the trial. Examination of the charge sheet. The court scrutinizes the charge sheet and accompanying documents such as witness statement, forensic report, and relevant evidence. The court assesses whether the charge sheet discloses the commission of an offence and if there is enough evidence to establish a prima facie case against the accused. Accused right an opportunity to get. Before framing the charge, the accused is given an opportunity to hear the charge against them and present their defense. The court reads the charge aloud and explains them to the accused in a language they understand. The accused can seek clarification, challenge the charge, and present their object if any. Prima facie case and framing of charge. The court considers the evidence and material on record to determine whether a prima facie case has been made out against the accused. A prima facie case refers to the existence of sufficient evidence on the face of it to support the conviction if the evidence remains unchallenged. If the court finds a prima facie case, it proceeds to frame charges against the accused. Content of the charges. The charges should contain the specific section of the law alleged violation of the accused along with the concise statement of the offence. The charge must be clear, precise, and adequately explain the nature of offence to enable the accused to prepare their defense. Alteration of additional charge. During the trial, the court has the discretion to alter and addition charges if they find the evidence support of the inclusion of additional offence. The court may also modify the charge if the evidence present during the trial reveals a different offence than initial charge. It is important to note that the framing of charge is a significant stage in a criminal trial as it will set out the scope and framework of the subsequent proceeding. The accused is pursued innocent until proven guilty. The prosecution has burden to proving the charges beyond a reasonable doubt during the trial. Thank you. For any doubt, please write down the number.